everyone. Today, we will discuss the foam fire extinguisher, also known as AFFF, aqueous film forming foam. This type of fire extinguisher is commonly used to put out fire involving flammable liquids. It is widely used in school, office, ships, and industrial areas.
What is a foam fire extinguisher? A foam fire extinguisher contains the mixture of water and foam concentrate. When released, it forms a thick of foam blankets over the fire. These blankets helps cool the fire and cut off the oxygen supply, which stops the fire from spreading.
Types of fire it can extinguish. Foam fire extinguishers are mainly used for: one is Class A fires involving solid materials like wood, paper, cloth, and plastic. Class B fires involving flammable liquids like gasoline oil, diesel, and paint. However, it should not be used on electrical fires unless it is specifically labeled safe for electrical use.
How it will work. Foam extinguishers works into two ways. The number one is cooling effect. The water contents cool down the burning materials. The second one is smoothing effect. The foam forms a layer on the top of the liquid, preventing oxygen from feeding the fire. This makes it very effective for the liquid fires.
The parts of foam fire extinguisher. Number 1. Cylinder or body. A strong steel or aluminum container that holds the foam solution. It is painted cream or cream label band to indicate foam type. Number 2. Handle or lever. Located at the top. When you squeeze it, it releases the extinguish agent. Works together with valve assembly. Safety pull pin. Prevent accidentally discharge. Must be pulled before using the extinguisher. Number 4. Pressure gauge. Show whether the extinguisher is properly pressurized, neither in the green zone, ready to use, red zone, undercharge or overcharge. Valve assembly. Control the release of the foam. Open when the handle is pressed. Number 6. Siphon tube or deep tube. A long tube inside the cylinder carries the foam solution from the bottom of the cylinder to the nozzle when activated. Number 7. The hose. Flexible tube attached to the cylinder. Directs the foam toward the fire. Number 8. Nozzle foam. Brand pipe. The end part of the foam will come out. Designed to expand the solution into foam before it reaches the fire. Number 9. Foam solution. A mixture of water plus foam concentrated plus air from a thick blanket over burning liquids.
How to use PASS method or PASS method. To use a foam fire extinguisher, follow the PASS method. For P, pull the safety pin. A, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. And then S, squeeze the handle. And then another S, sweep from side to side. And then always stand at the safe distance while using it.
Advantages and safety precautions. Advantages. Effective for flammable liquid fires. Easy to use. Prevents reignition. Safety precautions. Do not use on electrical fires. Do not use on cooking oil fires. Make sure the fire is not large before attempting to extinguish it.
Extinguisher is an
important safety device used mainly for Class A and Class B fires. Understanding how it works and how to use it properly can prevent serious damage and save lives. Always remember to follow safety procedures and call emergency services if the fire is uncontrollable. Thank you for listening.